Hey everyone, welcome to Storytextbook. I'm Rachel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of used to and would. Both are used to talk about past habits, but there are some key differences. Used to is typically used for past habits and states that are no longer true, while would is used for repeated actions in the past. Let's explore and practice together. Can you tell me about a hobby you used to have when you were younger? You have 10 seconds. You might say, I used to collect stamps when I was younger. This sentence uses used to talk about a past habit that you no longer do. Perfect. Now, can you share a story about something you would often do during summer holidays? You have 10 seconds. An example answer could be, every summer we would go to my grandparents' house. This sentence uses would to describe a repeated action in the past. Great job. How about telling me something you used to eat frequently as a child? You have 10 seconds. You might say, I used to eat a lot of ice cream as a child. This sentence uses used to indicate a past habit. Excellent. Now, can you describe a game you and your friends would play after school? You have 10 seconds. An example could be, we would play soccer in the park every day after school. This sentence uses would to talk about a regular activity in the past. Well done. Can you tell me about a place you used to visit with your family? You have 10 seconds. You might say, we used to visit the beach every summer. This sentence uses used to describe a habitual action in the past. Fantastic. Now, can you share something your parents would always do for your birthday? You have 10 seconds. You could say, my parents would always bake a special cake for my birthday. This sentence uses would to talk about a repeated action in the past. Nice. Finally, can you describe a sport you used to play? You have 10 seconds. An example answer is, I used to play tennis every weekend. This sentence uses used to describe a past habit. Excellent work. Now, here's an exciting task for you. In the comments below, write a sentence using either used to or would to tell us about a habit or routine you had in the past. I'm eager to read your stories. You did an amazing job practicing with used to and would today. Remember, used to is used for past habits and states that are no longer true, while would is used for repeated actions in the past. Keep practicing, and you'll become even more confident. Don't forget to subscribe to Story Textbook for more educational lessons. See you next time. Bye.